Have you ever woken up in the morning feeling groggy, overwhelmed, or just downright gloomy? You're not alone, and sometimes coffee isn't enough. But what if I told you that for centuries, people around the world have turned to nature to lift their spirits? In today's episode of Herbal Healing Harbour, we're exploring 3 powerful herbs that can boost your mood every single morning. Let's dive in. First up, chamomile. This delicate flower has been used for centuries and is celebrated as a natural stress reliever. It's not only for bedtime. Chamomile has compounds that relax your mind and body, which can set the tone for your day. Add it to your morning tea or steep it in hot water for a calming start. Want to take it a step further? A pinch of chamomile in your oatmeal or smoothie gives you a double dose of calm energy. Trust me, this tiny herb has big benefits. Our second herb, holy basil, also known as tulsi. This isn't your basic basil found in the spice rack. Holy basil is often referred to as the queen of herbs in Ayurveda. Known for its adaptogenic properties, holy basil can help balance your cortisol levels, managing stress right from the get-go. Brew holy basil tea in the morning or add fresh leaves to your breakfast eggs. Starting your day with tulsi tea is like wrapping your soul in a warm, soothing hug. You'll feel the lift almost instantly. And the third herb you absolutely need to know about, lemon balm. Bright, citrusy, and full of life, lemon balm works wonders for enhancing mental clarity and uplifting your mood. Lemon balm tea is a natural choice, but here's something different. Blend it into a morning juice or mix it into yogurt for a refreshing burst of positivity. With its soothing properties, lemon balm is excellent for shaking off mental cobwebs and starting your day on the right foot. Now, let's pause for a moment. Why do herbs work so well? The secret lies in their phytochemicals, natural compounds that interact with the body to reduce stress hormones, enhance brain function, and even affect neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Simply put, herbs are nature's powerful little mood magicians, and the best part is they come without side effects. Still with me? Good. Let's talk about how to incorporate these 3 herbs seamlessly into your morning routine. A great way to start is by creating a morning herbal tea blend. Combine chamomile, lemon balm, and holy basil in equal parts. Mix well and steep in hot water. This blend gives you the combined power of calm, mental clarity, and stress relief in a single cup. Not a tea person? No worries. Opt for capsules or tinctures made from these herbs. They're concentrated and easy to consume, making it super simple to enjoy the benefits even on busy mornings. Let's not forget the mental side of wellness. Start a herbal mindfulness practice. When you sip your tea or add these herbs to your meal, take a moment to express gratitude. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and consciously let go of yesterday's worries. Pairing mindfulness with these herbs makes their effects even more potent. To wrap it all up, these 3 herbs, chamomile, holy basil, and lemon balm, aren't just flavorful, they're functional life changers. Incorporating a natural, plant-based solution into your mornings can set the tone for your entire day. So why not give it a try? Replace your rushed mornings with one that's rich in calm and positivity. Your body, mind, and soul deserve it. And that's a wrap for today's Herbal Healing Harbour episode. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an exciting herbal remedy. Want more tips, life hacks, and recipes? Sign up for our newsletter down in the description below. Here's to a brighter, flavorful start every morning with the power of herbs. See you next time. Cheers to your health.